Hey guys, hold on, let me get out of this. Today we're going to do a Minecraft, survival. I have the new weather, thing in. So we're just gonna, get this set. Tornado, weather, actually, you know what? We're just going to go on to the world that I have already set. This one, I think you'll all really like. Out. Let me just make sure this is recording. Let's move this. Okay, I was just making sure that this did my game volume. Now we're gonna get up. Okay. So I already have some stuff, and I forgot my hoe. But as you can see, I've got two sticky pistons, and a lever, and a redstone repeater. I found this to how to make this. What you do is, let me actually go grab a hoe. Here, right there. This isn't really a survival let's play yet. This is just like saying on this world what's going to be upcoming. So what you do if you're walking by and you somehow have a hoe and you see this, I go, let's start a farm. Hoe, what's that? Close. What I have in here is, next to my door, I have a tornado sensor and siren. Down here I have my bed, my crafting table, my furnace, and my chest with a bunch of cobblestone. I have some iron stuff too, which I gotta get a new iron pickaxe. I have my weather radar right here. Downstairs I have my farm, which is very nicely. Should be done here in a little bit, and I just made that for laughs. I had a bunch of wool left, and I said, well, screw it, let's do it. But I haven't really been on this world much. I've only been on it since today. I've gotten so far. It's nighttime. I better go sleep. But we're gonna be doing a lot of Minecraft stuff. We're probably gonna be doing some. Actually, probably after this video, I'm gonna start a tornado survival. So yeah. This is just an update. As you can see, I have Forge for the update 1.7.10, so I am up to date with Minecraft. Not on 1.6.4 like most people are with the tornado. Koros actually just made a new one, which if I get out of this, I minimize that, and I go to this, and I go to Koros mods. They have the localized weather and storm fronts, which I don't want to download. I already have it, so we're just gonna go local weather and store. It's latest download from Minecraft 1.7.10. That's all the stuff. Older version was 1.7.2 and 1.6.4. They fixed it and all that. So how to install it, just do all that. Percent app data, configurations, some pictures. Those are the tornadoes. It's pretty cool. Hurricanes are very powerful. Okay. Well, guys, I'll be back in a little bit doing some of that stuff. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.